Hi everyone, I am Amit Yadav, class of 2020 BTech in Electrical Engineering from IIT Gandhinagar. Currently I am embedded software engineer at Enphase Energy. So today I'll be telling about three things which I'm really grateful to IIT Gandhinagar. The first one is academic freedom. The college, the faculty, they have been really supportive and they listen to students' plan and they help them and motivate them to pursue that. For example, be it branch changing in the first year or in my third year, I remember that I had to overload my semester because I was able to see an opportunity that I can finish early and I can spend my 6 months in the industrial setting. And they helped me. They went outside and helped me, and to pursue that, I was able to finish early in 3.5 years. And I also remember that I took 3 project courses in that semester, and thanks to the dean and faculty coordinator and advisor. And the second thing is financial help. I think college has been way supportive in backing a student in whatever financial problem or struggles they have. All you need is that you have to go to student affair office and they will always be ready to help you. For example, when I joined college, my father, he was supporting 3 of us in our studies, and he retired at that time. So it was pretty tough for him, I think. So at that time, college gave me 2/3 fee waiver, and which was under merit cum means scholarship. But it was really helpful. And after that, through Mr. Timasek, I also got Sri Timasek donor scholarship, which helped me to buy electronics product and pursue my hobbies. When in third year, I was facing problem to get funds from the MHRD for an independent internship. It was college which gave me a loan of 1.5 or I think 1 lakhs and supported me out. And when I got a paper out of that internship, it was again college, which gave me undergraduate research final assistance. And through that, I was able to go to South Korea and present my research paper. So this, although looks very easy, but financial struggle can be really pathetic, and college helped me out. So I'm really grateful to college for that. And the third thing which I find very unique and I think is the most significant reason for my growth is that the college is very unique. They have a student first policy. They integrate a student in everything. They include a student in the institute senate also, where we put forward what is the view of a student in some student centered policy. And then they also have a lot of focus on soft skills and leadership. For example, the fly course and the writing lab, or even the writing studio which they have. They are focusing on things which are way more important, not way more I'll say, but equally important with the technical skills, the soft skills, which is speaking skills, writing skills, and they are significantly helping the student to build that confidence also. The Explorer Fellowship is a typical example of that. As an international student, when I go to some place, right, then it is that scholarship Explore Fellowship program that gives me that confidence and belief on myself that okay, I'll be able to manage, and not only manage but enjoy the place also. Because just think about that, in first year you have gone to all places in India, explored it and managed everything on your own. Then I don't think it will be pretty tough, right, to go to other country and manage similarly. So that kind of focus on soft skill is something very good coming from the college side, and I'm really grateful to college for all these 3 things. I really wish everyone in the college all the best, and I'll say just make the best out of this opportunity. And even today I miss mess food, to be really honest. First year and fourth year student, they generally miss mess food. Second and third year you get used to. So, but the college is really good, and make the best out of it. Be safe. And that's it. Bye. Thanks.